Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect.
Today we're going to show you how to replace the skid shoes on your snowblower. Skid shoes raise the shave plate about 1/4 inch to keep the plate from scraping against the ground and wearing out quickly. We recommend replacing both shoes at the same time to ensure they're the same thickness. Let's get started. First, remove the key from the snowblower. Lay down a sheet of cardboard that's almost as wide as the shave plate and is about 1/4 inch thick. Place the cardboard so that it's under the shave plate but not under the skid shoes. The cardboard raises the shave plate to prevent wear on the plate. Remove the skid shoe mounting nuts and washers. Pull off the skid shoes. Install the new skid shoes with the shoes flat on the ground. Skid shoes can wear down over time, so keep the cardboard handy and check the skid shoe position often. Adjust skid shoes when needed to keep from wearing out the shave plate. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at searspartsdirect.com/DIY.
We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.